Good morning, student. How are you? Hope you are enjoying at your home. So, in previous classes, class 9 history, the French Revolution, I am discussing about which topic? Introduction of the French Revolution. Rahul, what is the meaning of the French Revolution only? The term revolution means a recognizable momentous change in any situation. Okay, sit down. Very good. Avinash, are you my attend class? Yes. Okay. Give me a simple question answer. When did the French Revolution begin? Okay. The French Revolution began with the fall of the Bastille on 14 July 1789. Okay, sit down. So, student, today I am discussing about next topic, French society during the late 18th century. Open your book, page number 4. French society during the late 18th century. In 1774, Louis XVI of the Bourbon family of king ascended the throne of France. Do you heard? Bourbon biscuit? Yes, this belongs to Bourbon, basically France. He is the king. He was 20 years old and married to the Austrian Princess Marie Antoinette. Upon his accession, the new kings found an petty treasury. How many years old king? 20 years. His princess name? Marie Antoinette. And next question, in which year? 1774. King belongs to which family? Bourbon family. Any doubt in this topic? In this line? Long years of war had drained the financial resources of France. Added to this was the cost of maintaining an extravagant court at the immense palace of Versailles. Long years of war had drained the financial resources of France. Added to this was the cost of maintaining an extravagant court at the immense palace of Versailles. Under Louis XVI, France helped the 13 American colonies to gain their independence from the common enemy. Name one common enemy of France. Britain. Common enemy. Under Louis XVI, I repeat again. Under Louis XVI, France helped the 13 American colonies to gain their independence from their common enemy, Britain. The war added more than $1 billion livres. Livre is a currency of unit of currency of France. Unit of currency in France discontinued in 1794. To a debt that had already risen to more than 2 billion livres. LIVRES. Unit of currency in France discontinued in 1794. Lenders who gave the state credit now began to charge 10% interest on loans. So the French government was obliged to spend an increasing percentage of its budget on interest payment alone. So the French government was obliged to spend an increasing percentage of its budget on interest payment alone. Any confusion? Any query? Okay. To meet its regular expenses such as the cost of maintaining an army, the court, running government offices or universities, the state was forced to increase taxes. Yet even this measure would not have sufficed. SQFFICD means sufficient. French society in the 18th century was divided into 3 states. Now look at figure number 2, a society of states. First state, clergy. Number 2, second state, nobility. And third state, big businessmen, merchants, lawyer, court official, etc. Next point, peasants and artisans, and lower section, small peasant, landless labor and servant, and only member of the third state paid taxes. So 90% burden on the third state, taxes burden. Can you imagine what was the condition of third state on that time? In 1774, Louis XVI of the Bourbon family of kings ascended the throne of France. Upon his accession, he found an petty treasury. It posed problem before the new kings. The state was forced to increase taxes to meet its regular expenses such as the cost of maintaining an army, court, running government offices, university, etc. In the 18th century, the French society was divided into 3 states, the clergy and nobility, which formed the first 2 states were the privileged classes. Name 2 classes, clergy and the nobility. I am some important topic in this regarding point out. Now listen my carefully, pay attention my lecture. The society of state was a part of the feudal system. The term old regime is usually used to describe the society and institution of France before 1789. The society was divided into basically 3 sections. Already I am repeating. First state, clergy, enjoyed privilege by birth. Second state, nobility, enjoyed privileges by birth, enjoyed feudal privileges. Third states, big businessmen, merchants, courts, official, lawyer, etc. Peasants and artisans and small peasants, landless laborers and servants. Peasants were forced to provide services to the lords, to work in his fields and houses, serve in army and participate in building roads. On that time, there are 2 taxes, direct tax, indirect taxes. Direct tax, taille, T-A-I-L-L-E, indirect tax. Tithe. Church share tax from peasant like salt and tobacco called tithe. Tithes. Any doubt in this topic? What was the princess name of Louis XVI? Yes, Marie Antoinette. Who was the king of France? Louis XVI. Any query in this topic? Okay, write down 2 homework. It must be written on your copy. I must be checked in next classes. What debt did France incur due to her involvement in the American War of Independence? I repeat again. What debt did France incur INCUR due to her involvement in the American War of Independence? Number 2 question. What were the causes of the empty treasury of France under Louis XVI? Assess any 3 causes. I repeat again. What were the causes for the empty treasury of France under Louis XVI? Assess any 3 causes. Thank you, class.